How to fix Discord muffling other audio on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop Discord from lowering or muffling other sounds while in a call. First, open Discord on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Voice and Video from the Settings menu. From there, scroll down and look for the noise suppression option and make sure it is turned off, as this can sometimes interfere with other audio playing on your device. At this point, also look for echo cancellation and turn that off as well. In the next step, go back to your Android settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Following this, tap on Sound Quality and Effects, or Dolby Atmos if available on your device, and make sure no audio enhancements are interfering with your sound output. Once done, go back to your home screen and long press on the Discord icon. Then tap the Info or I button. From here, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files. At this stage, tap Force Stop and confirm to completely close Discord. Finally, restart your device and reopen Discord. Then join a call to test if the muffling issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix Discord muffling other audio, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.